everybody. I am Agostino Giglio, Ago for friends, and I am from Italy. I am a full-time backend developer and trying to build a portfolio of small bets with no code and AI. For years, until some months ago, I used to upload just piano cover and tutorials on YouTube. Today, I am trying to be more maker. So here we go. I built this CodeMentorGPT, this tool, and I bought the domain. Currently, there are 16 users registered. No revenue at the moment, built with Bubble, and it's around $30 the month, and the price is $500. So just some data. I didn't have the time to do any marketing, but these days there was just a pic about the sharing of this project on the newsletter, on an AI newsletter. Some detail later. And most of the users currently are from USA. So this is basically I scratched just my own itch because I am a programmer, and this is a tool that helps busy programmers with family, just like me, to learn new programming language quickly and easily. So the second reason I built this is because during this last month, I saw a big trend of non-dev people starting in some way to code. And this bridge was the no-code world and the ChatGPT. And some example here, we have our friend Hazel that sold a project where she used the Google scripting, and I am a developer, I don't know it, but she sold a project using that with ChatGPT, and that's amazing. And one other friend is Joe Cacchiani that started with Bubble, and I saw he building public using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. So it's possible today, something like that. Just some examples about the monetization path. Here, what you see is not implemented because I just built the tool. Actually, this is a white space, but I want to say a big thank to Sloan and Harold for the ideas about that. You could add on the side a banner like that, and when the user choose a programming language to learn, like this, on this example is Python, while he learns, he could see some suggested course about Python, and these are affiliated links. One other way to monetize is during this super hub way to learn, we'll see later. You have the platform with the course, the paid course, and you can reserve special spots for individual developer like these two. These are Brett Traversi and Moshe Hamedani, two great developers. This is an example where you can have special spots for them. So, like I said, it's between Bubble, and I used two APIs, one by Google to simulate a custom Google search, and OpenAI. So just a little example. So we have two ways to learn a programming language. This is, for example, C++. And this mode is the rabbit hole. You start, and in a few seconds you have you basically ask to the AI to show 5 key points about that, 5 key concepts about that language, and you can, I call it the rabbit hole, because you can go deeply and deeply about any concept that is shown. And this is an example. You start with that, and you can go deeply about a concept. And if you want, you can even ask for a code example. And here, an example about the components in Angular with the explanation. And one other way to learn, and that's my favorite one, for example, I select, these are all the languages you can select, the JavaScript, the Super Hub. This is the paradise for a busy programmer, because you have, according to the media that you want to learn by, for example, you could have cheat sheet. This is the result of the API by Google for the custom search. You could search the documentation. You have a newsletter. You have articles, or if you commute like me, you have even podcast. These are podcast episodes about JavaScript. Yeah. So we keep on with the presentation. As I said, I didn't have time to the marketing, but building public, I had the opportunity to have a journalist that asked me about an interview, and I was featured on the AI newsletter by Anita. About the newsletter by Anita, there are 2.4K readers, and about the daily dot interview, I asked for a backlink. That's not confirmed because it depends by the draft editor to publish that, but I checked out the data. I don't know if it's reliable, this data, but I see a lot of traffic on that website. And I had this is a testimonial by a user, and this guy got the point, because he say you can be overwhelmed if you want to start to learn something about the programming language, but this tool, with this tool, you can stay focused as a single point of reference. Yeah. So that's all. I want to say thank you, everybody, for your attention. Thank you.